A toxicology report we got earlier this week shows Riley Strain's blood alcohol level was nearly 3 times the legal limit to drive, but the bar that served him might not be liable. Thanks for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Morgan Burrish. Lucas and Megan have the night off. Strain's body was found in the Cumberland River in March, weeks after he went missing while on a fraternity trip in Nashville. ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live in studio tonight. And Mitchell, Strain's cause of death was listed as drowning and ethanol intoxication, but it was ruled as accidental.
Morgan, even though the death was ruled accidental, Tennessee law states a bar can face a multi-thousand-dollar fine or have their license revoked if they overserve a customer. A bar's owners and employees may also face criminal charges if they are found liable for any injuries or deaths that result from overserving customers. A report from the Davidson County Medical Examiner's Office shows Strain had a blood alcohol content of 0.228, which is nearly 3 times the legal limit to drive. Former Cole County prosecutor Bill Tackett says in order to prove Luke's 32 Bridge was liable for Strain's death, officials would need more than just his BAC.
A BAC is not, the blood alcohol content is not enough. It's part of the equation, but it's not enough to make that determination.
The Tennessee Alcoholic Beverage Commission wrote in a statement to ABC News in March that there are no specific rules or statutes that govern escorting out intoxicated patrons from their business or providing assistance in getting someone home. However, they added that state law prohibits serving alcoholic beverages to someone who is visibly intoxicated, and a violation is a Class A misdemeanor.
The issue is there clear and convincing evidence that the bar should have known or did know that they were serving a visibly intoxicated person, and that's defined by statute as somebody that is in a physical, uncoordinated state, dysfunctional state, where it's obvious.
Luke's 32 Bridge says Strain was only served 1 alcoholic drink and 2 waters. The Tennessee Alcoholic Beverage Commission tells us they are still investigating the incident.
Thank you, Mitchell. Nashville police say there was no evidence of foul play.